Here's why baseball is testing autocorrect for their umpires. In the MLB, the strike zone is an imaginary box where pitches inside count as strikes and those outside are balls. Since the box isn't actually visible, we have umpires that make calls in real time. Last season, these umpires called an average of 151 pitches per game, and as expected, some calls were incorrect. This chart shows how often umpires missed calls in 2024, with each red bar representing the amount of games with that number of mistakes. Across more than 2,400 games, every single one had at least one missed call, and the median was 9. Then if we aggregate everything, that comes out to an accuracy rate of 94%, and that's pretty good, but still not perfect. The website Ump Scorecards captures data on every single call and then uses an algorithm to measure how missed calls skew a game in a team's favor. Each dot here represents one game, with the axis showing how many expected runs the missed call accounted for. While most performances cluster around 0, 8.5% of games had calls that theoretically swung the score by at least one run, meaning that over 200 games in 2024 may have had a significant impact from umpire mistakes. That's why this spring training, the MLB is testing automated balls and strikes to improve fairness. And for that system to work, the strike zone needs clear and consistent rules, which look like this. The zone is currently 17 inches wide, matching the width of home plate, and set back 8.5 inches to align with the corners here. The height of the zone then depends on the batter's size, with the top at 53.5% of standing height and the bottom at 27%. This blue area inside these lines is the resulting strike zone, and the methodology ensures fairness for players of different sizes like Aaron Judge's 6'7" and Jose Altuve at 5'6". As mentioned, this is currently in the testing phase during spring training where teams are allowed to challenge calls twice per game, which turn the call over to the automatic strike zone, and the very earliest we could see it in real action is in 2026. Follow for more sports data visualizations.